Wanna know how to make an auto-clicker simulation in console in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can do it. It's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, we just simply import the robot class from the java.awt, as you can see in the first and second line right here. Then this lets Java control mouse and keyboard inputs. We create a robot object, then use a loop to simulate clicks. So we use mouse press, that is 9 and 10 right here. This presses the left mouse button and mouse release just simply lets it go. Add a sort thread sleep, that is on the 11th line as you can see, to space the click so it's visible. In this demo, we are auto clicking 10 times. We can adjust the loop count or delay accordingly according to your choice. And that's it. Now run it and watch your mouse click automatically and boom. That's a fully functional auto clicker in under 50 lines in Java. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.